Chairman, thank you. I want to speak about the amendments that stand in the name of Ashley Fox and others. At the time of the Lisbon Treaty, the British electorate was assured time and time again that the Charter of Fundamental Rights would not apply to the UK. Protocol 30 was produced as evidence of that. Time and time again, those of us who are opposed to British membership of the European Union said that the European Court of Justice would sooner, rather than later, rule that the Charter did apply in the UK. Andrew Duff's report cites the proof of that fact. Firstly, I want to make it quite clear what that means. It is that when it comes to the subject of the EU, promises made by the present UK political class must always be treated as being worthless. Instead, we the voters are routinely fed on lies. Secondly, I want to make an observation about the amendments, in particular Amendment 5. The fact is that the Charter of Fundamental Rights, as has been demonstrated, does apply to the UK. Where matters of EU law are concerned, Mr. Duff's assertion is thus a statement of fact and not an opinion. The deletion of Amendment 5 is no more and no less than a deliberate attempt to conceal the fact from voters in Poland, the Czech Republic, and from my point of view, most importantly, from the EU electorate. We have an election in 2014. My party will not shy away from pointing out that the UK Conservative Party would rather the voters did not know the truth about such things. I haven't finished yet. This bit concerns you, Andrew. It will surprise some that I approve of something that Mr. Duff asserts. It doesn't happen very often in here, but it is necessary to do so here because of this apparent attempt by the UK Tories to conceal the truth. Why else would they want to delete Amendment 5?
So, Mr. Duff, perhaps you can reply.
Thank you very much. I am also surprised that the British Conservative Party should be seeking to support the ruse of Mr. Blair when he was Prime Minister in pretending that this thing was an opt-out. I hope perhaps before voting time the ECR group might reconsider its amendment.